Streamline process of document update in Aadhaar. Visit My Aadhaar portal at myadhar.uidai.gov.in. Click on the Document Update section to upload your proof of identity and proof of address document. This service is available free of cost using the My Aadhaar portal till June 14, 2024. To know what to submit or how to submit, please click here. Now, click here to submit. Enter Aadhaar number. Enter CAPTCHA details displaying on the screen. Click on Login with OTP. OTP will be sent on your registered mobile number. Enter OTP and click Login. Verify your details like name, date of birth, gender, address with your available proof of identity and proof of address documents. If there is mismatch in any of your details, please update your demographic details, name, address, date of birth or gender at nearest Aadhaar center, and for address only update, click here. Select the consent box to proceed further. Now upload your proof of identity and proof of address document in prescribed format and size. First, you can upload proof of identity document. Then proceed to upload your proof of address document. Now give your consent to proceed to the next step. Dear Aadhaar number holder, this service is free of cost till 14th June 2024. Your Aadhaar update is successfully completed. You may now download the acknowledgement receipt and save it for future reference. Scan the QR code shown on the screen to upload your proof of identity and proof of address documents. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और आधार संबंधित लेटेस्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मेरा आधार, मेरी पहचान।